Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. My name is Daedran. Bone Tequila gets candid about health scare. With the mercy of God, I was able to be healed, says the DJ Wednesday evening in an Instagram post as he opened up to fans about undergoing a major surgery back in 2021. Now the image you're about to see may be disturbing to some, so viewer discretion is advised. The photo that was shared to his Instagram account shows what has been medically identified as a midline incision held together by surgical tapes, with a cut that starts from his umbilical area extending to his suprapubic region. Now, Ibrahim would like to state that while the incision was medically identified, the singer did not disclose the medical condition or the surgery that was done. The picture was met with a caption that reads in part, "For the first time, I'm sharing this with the public. 3 years ago in May 2021, I did a major surgery, and with the mercy of God, I was able to be healed and fully recovered in less than 1 year." He gave thanks to his family, close friends, doctors, nurses, and staff at the University Hospital Tony Thwaites ward. Cardi B clears the air following Met Gala backlash. The pressed rapper made her defense after receiving online lashing for not remembering the name of her Chinese fashion designer who created her black to look on the gala on Monday. While on the red carpet, Cardi B was probed on the designer of her look by a representative from Vogue. Her response:
"Is this amazing designer? They're Asian and everything, so yeah."
The response triggered online backlash for what some have deemed as being racially insensitive. But it's the comments made by Vogue's former managing director, Gilbert Chia, that stood out. It reads that, "For the record and recognition, no thanks to Cardi B. The designer of her gown is Sensen Lee, who's Chinese. The gown took 2 months to make. I personally think it's boring and not even on theme. But she chose it and should have at least remembered his name and not just that he is Asian." Now, in defending herself, Cardi B posted this video to her Instagram.
When I was getting interviewed, I kind of forgot to pronounce the designer's name because his name is a little bit complicated. I said Asian designer because I know that the designer was Asian, but I wasn't sure what nationality the designer was. And I feel like it's offensive if I was to be like, oh, some Chinese designer or some Korean designer or some Vietnamese designer, because I feel like I don't want to get somebody's nationality mixed up. So I said an Asian designer.
Drake's Toronto home once more targeted. According to CNN, the rapper's residence was targeted in what is believed to be an attempted break-in just 1 day following a shooting of a security guard outside the home. Police reports confirmed that on Wednesday, a man was apprehended for attempted break-in. A media relations officer for the Toronto Police Department told CNN in a statement Wednesday that around 2 p.m. local time, officers were called to the home after a person attempted to gain access to the property. The man was apprehended under Ontario's Mental Health Act and was taken to obtain a medical assistance. Authorities believe there is no link between this incident and Tuesday's shooting. Information on whether Drake or anybody else was inside the home at the time of the incident on Wednesday was not immediately available. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.